Out of those ones, watu kabisa tumeona ako na 410, lakini huyo sio index 1, so we are expecting better results than 410 because we have only at this point we have 10 over 400, and we hope that as we keep on coming to index 1, we are going to have better and more of the 400 that we are looking for. And we thank God. It's a good day. And yeah, that's all I can say. I don't know how to express my happiness, but indeed, we thank God for everything that we have received today.